Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Di dalam video kali ini, saya nak tunjukkan kepada anda bagaimana kita nak create a title block. Okay, we would like to create our own template or title block. So I will go to new, and then I akan pilih AutoCAD ISO ni macam biasa AutoCAD ISO untuk matrix unit. And before I proceed, I need to check definitely my units. Okay, so I'm going to make sure this one decimal. I'm going to pick without decimals, and everything should be okay. Then just click OK. Okay guys, untuk create title block ni, dia ada few ways. Okay, dia ada few methods. Tetapi method yang saya nak tunjuk kepada anda ini adalah salah satu method yang paling senang lah, paling mudah untuk kita buat. Okay, kalau you all still remember, if I'm not mistaken, in our first video, okay, I already mentioned about two kind of tabs, which are model tab as well as layout tab. Model tab ni dia hanya ada boleh satu saja, dia tak boleh macam layout ni layout kita boleh ada few or multiples layout tabs. Kita boleh buat layout tab 1, layout tab 2, layout tab 3, 4 and so forth. Tapi kalau model ni hanya boleh satu saja tab dia, dan model ni sekarang ni kita tengah berada dalam model tab environment ni. Model ni adalah di mana semua aktiviti yang melibatkan sketches. Okay, yang melibatkan sketches, so kita akan hasilkan di dalam model. Kalau kita nak masukkan dimension pun, kita boleh masukkan dimension di dalam model environment ataupun model tab ni. Namun demikian, sekiranya kalau kita nak menghasilkan title block, okay, kita perlu pergi kepada layout. Okay, let's say in this particular case, I'm going to pick layout 1 as my title block punya layout lah. Okay, so kalau tak kisah kalau nak pilih layout 2 pun boleh, layout 1 pun boleh, it doesn't matter, but in my case I'm going to pick layout 1. Okay, so kalau bila you pick layout 1 ni, dia akan terbentuk seperti macam ni tau. So kita delete ni dulu, just click this one and delete first. Okay, and then we have to set up kita punya layout untuk title block tu. So what you need to do is that you just need to bring your cursor to here, to layout 1 ni, right click, then go to page setup manager. Right, okay, so you have to make sure that you kena pilih layout 1, bukan layout 2. Okay, layout 1, because kita nak setkan pada layout 1 ni kan. So go to layout, pasal kita dah pilih tadi layout. Kalau you pilih layout 2, so you pilih lah, you have to choose layout 2 lah. But my case, as what I mentioned to you just now, I pilih layout 1, so I'm going to pick my layout 1 untuk untuk I edit, untuk I manage the layout. So once after you pilih layout 1 ni, you go to modify. And then, kalau you perhatikan pada bahagian printer plotter ni, okay, if you expand this arrow, you boleh pilih, okay, kalau printer, jenis printer apa yang you pakai. But let's say kata kalau you tak ada printer, okay, you can just simply go to DWG to PDF, drawing to PDF.pc3. Okay, you can choose this one. Alright. Tapi kalau macam my case, I ada two types of printers, which HP DeskJet and also Fuji Xerox, so I can choose either one, this one lah. Tapi in this case, I want to show to you, sekiranya kalau I tak ada, I tidak mempunyai printer, let's say for example, so I can just simply pick DWG to PDF.pc3. Okay, PC3. So just click this one, and then you have to make sure that you pilih ISO. Okay, ISO, not expand. Okay, not expand E4, but ISO E4. Okay, you can scroll this one. Okay, ISO E4. Kalau 210 yang ni kan, 210 times 297, inilah untuk landscape. Kalau you nak create portrait, okay, portrait you pilih ni lah, okay kan, 297 times 210. So let's say I'm going to create my landscape, A4 landscape title block. So I'm going to pick, remember jangan pilih ISO expand. You need to pick ISO A4 210 times 297. Okay, just click this one. Then make sure all this one, leave it as default. Okay, layout this one, scale 1 to 1. And plot style table, this one, I want to expand this and choose monochrome. Okay, choose monochrome ni maknanya dia hitam putih lah. Kalau you nak bercolor-color semua apa kan, you can go to AutoCAD.ctv ataupun fill patterns, right? But since I nak buat dia hitam putih, so I just pick monochrome. Alright. Dan seperkara lagi sebelum kita exit from this page setup layout 1, I want you to go to the properties. Okay, go to the properties button over here. Click this properties. And under user defined paper sizes and calibration, I want you to choose modify. Pick this one. Pick this one. Modify standard paper sizes. Okay, click this one. And then I want you to, kat bahagian ni pilih ISO A4 yang tadi tu. Okay, ISO bukan full bleed. Kita tengok lagi bawah ada tak. Okay, ISO E4 kita pilih tadi 210 times 297 ni kan. Okay, just click this one. Okay, selepas you click this one, go to here, modify button. Alright, click modify button dan make sure semua ni you pilih 5. Why? Apa 5 ni? Top, bottom, left, right ni. Apa 5 ni? Okay, nanti I will explain to you what does it mean by all this. Okay, 5mm for top, 5mm for bottom, left and right also we're going to indicate is 5mm. So once bila you dah change all these or you already set this value to 5mm, you just go to next, and then just next. Kalau ada lagi next, then just finish it. Okay, just finish it. And then once after you dah setkan all this one, just go to OK, and then go to click OK. Okay, so to exit from this page setup, so click OK. Okay, then close. Now, yang tadi tu kita setkan 5mm top, 5mm bottom, right and as well as left 5mm tu ialah daripada sini. Kalau you perhatikan dotted line ini yang luar ni sebenarnya adalah A4 punya size landscape. Okay, A4 landscape ini 210. Okay, 210. This one 297 panjang ni. Alright, panjang ni 297, panjang lebar ni 210. Manakala dotted line ni adalah kita punya printable area. Okay, area untuk kita print nanti. Alright. Dan distance 5mm tadi tu kan adalah daripada dotted line ni ke bahagian hujung paper ni, A4 paper ni. Alright. So from here to here 5mm, from here to here 5mm. Okay, kalau kat bawah ni kalau I besarkan bawah ni, from here to here 5mm, same as well as this one, from here to here is 5mm. Okay, I set 5mm lah. Okay, you can set 10mm pun boleh, tapi kalau 10mm nanti dia punya printable area tu dah become smaller lah kan, dah become kecil lah. So that's why I just make it 5mm from here. Right. Kalau kenapa saya set 5mm kerana kalau saya pernah try 3mm, dia bila you, kalau printer saya lah, kalau my printer, okay, my printer nanti kita punya garisan title block tu dia tak print out. Kalau saya setkan tadi tu kan, instead of 5mm, kalau I setkan 3mm ataupun 4mm, nanti kita punya line ni, outer line, nanti sekejap lagi kita akan buat. Okay, outer line untuk title block ni dia tak print. So dia akan kosong. So that's why bila I try to play an error and I found that 5mm is the best lah. 5mm je ke semua bahagian tepi ni kan, top, bottom, right and left ni 5mm. Okay, my printer boleh ni lah. So it depends on the printer as well lah. Kalau you punya printer, you try set dulu lah 5 lah, 5, lepas tu try 4, boleh tak? Kalau 4 boleh lagi, okay, you can kita try ambil yang semaksimum yang boleh lah. Okay, A4 ni untuk dia punya printable area dia. Okay, printable area dia. So now once bila kita dah create this one, kita nak buat garisan title block. So I nak create satu layer lah. I tak nak guna default layer ni. Boleh je kalau nak gunakan default layer ni, tapi I tak nak guna default layer ni. So I go to layer properties. So kita dah belajar sebelum ni kan, how are we going to create the layers. So ini kalau you perhatikan warna dia hitam walaupun dia tulis sini white. Why? Kerana disebabkan kita punya background ni warna putih. Background kita putih, so walaupun white tu dia akan jadi hitam lah. Okay, tapi kalau macam kita pick up model tadi ni kan, okay, kalau kita klik layer properties ni, pasal background model ni hitam kan, so that's why warna dia putih. Dia white kan, tapi warna dia putih. So you no need to worry about that. Okay, so I'm going to create my layer properties. I'm going to create new, and then I'm going to rename it as TB. TB means that title block. You boleh letak apa-apa nama pun, tak kisah, no problem. Okay, so I'm going to make it TB title block, which stand for title block, color white, line type continuous. I'm going to maintain all this. Okay, and then I'm going to make this one current. Alright, then that's it. Now I want you to go to rectangle, pilih rectangle ni, and then dia tanya specify first corner point. So you bring your cursor, jangan klik betul-betul pada atas garisan ni, jangan biar dia ke dalam sikit. Okay, biar dia ke dalam sikit, jangan ke dalam sangat. Okay, just agak-agak, okay, agak-agak, okay, just agak-agak je, then click, then bring your cursor to, dia tanya specify other corner point. So we're going to specify it over here, another point. Sekali lagi, jangan keluar daripada sini, ataupun jangan ngam-ngam ke atas line, jangan, biarkan dia masuk dalam sikit. Okay, no need to have a very accurate. Okay, so you just agak-agak only. Okay, bila dah confirm this one, click this one. Alright, so ini kita punya layout line, border line pada bahagian luar untuk kita punya A4 landscape title block. Okay, so I nak explode this object. Kerana apa? Kerana objek ni dia become one object kan, dia dah join because kita pakai rectangle tadi. Okay, so saya nak pecahkan dia kepada single object or single entities. So remember, go to explode. Ini pun saya dah expose to you before this. Go to explode, then they ask us select object, so I'm going to select this one, then press enter. Okay, so kalau let's say if you bring your cursor to here, dia dah become as a single entity or single object. Alright, now I'm going to copy, saya nak buat kita punya title section kat bahagian sini. Alright, so I'm going to copy this one, okay, this line, then press enter. My base point is at this end point. Click this one, and then okay, I'm going to make sure that my auto on, because I'm going to make it have the copy straight macam ni. Okay, so I'm going to copy it upwards. Let's say I'm going to make it 15. Enter. And then daripada sini ke sini saya nak buat sama lah. Okay, 15 dan kata sini 30. Enter. Dan escape. Alright. So kita dah create two spaces over here, dua ruang di sini, 1 and 2, and then ini untuk row. So kita buat untuk column pula. So I'm going to copy this one. You can copy here also, no problem, but I'm going to pick this one over here, then enter. Then they ask us specify base point. So this is my first point, which is end point. Click this one over here, then you just bawa dia, tak kisah kat mana-mana, because later on kita boleh readjust dia punya column punya line, vertical line position ni. Okay, kita boleh readjust kemudian. So make sure dia nearest, symbol nearest warna hijau tu, macam tu kan. Okay, so let's say I'm just simply click here, click here. I'm going to make it, let's say I'm going to make it 4 columns here, let's say. Katakan kalau you tak nak, nanti kita boleh delete je, okay, no problem. So once after kita dah confirm buat macam ni, kita just press escape button, and I'm going to eliminate line pada bahagian atas ni. So I'm going to go to trim, okay, trim, and then I'm going to select all this, then enter, then we're going to select all those lines that we don't want. I don't want this line, I don't want this line. Then press escape button. Okay. Now, saya nak letakkan nama company. Let's say our company, let's say for my case, Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, University Technical Malaysia Melaka. Kalau you punya case, you boleh buatlah Faculty of Electrical and electrical engineering, right? Okay, tak whatever lah, okay. Dan University Technical Malaysia Melaka. So for my case, saya nak buat Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. So kita create text as what I mentioned to previously. I already showed to you how to apply single as well as multi-line text, but like me myself, I much more prefer to use multi-line text. So go to multi-line text, then just click anywhere here, never mind, because later on kita boleh modify dia, okay, so no need to worry. So click here, and then the second one is around here. And then I'm going to type faculty, don't worry about the size of the font, Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, enter, University Technical Malaysia Melaka. Okay, now I nak justify all these two lines pada tengah. So di sini biarkan pada tengah. Okay, bila kata you dah confirm, you just click close text editor. Okay, tapi ni kecil, so I katakan I would like to modify the font size. So double click, make sure you highlight all, then go to here, just click this one. Let's say I nak besar sikit, jadikan 5, kata dia 5, enter. Okay, then you just bring your cursor here, drag this sampai, okay, this nice. Then click close editor, and then I'm going to move this to here, kat dalam ni. Okay, so I'm going to move, select object, which object I'm going to move, this object I'm going to move, then press enter, then just click anywhere, never mind. Oh, I nak kasih dia movement dia free, so I kena offkan my auto lah, so that I can have a free movement. So katakan I'm going to make it over here. Oh, probably dia terlalu besar, never mind. Kita kecil, tak nak 5, kita buat 4, katakan size dia. Double click. Okay, try 4 pula. Okay, try 4. 4, enter. Okay, just close editor, then move. I'm going to move this text, enter, then just click anywhere as your first base point. So just put here right there. Okay, just nice. Then I'm going to agak-agak je lah, it's no need for you to have a very accurate alignment. So that's it here, just nice. Click this one up, sekali move this one, enter, and I'm going to make it somewhere around here. Okay, never mind, kan kalau ada apa-apa kita boleh ubah, kita boleh modify dia punya kedudukan, whatever. Alright, now I'm going to have a title block. So title name, drawing name, and also drawing title, and also drawing number. So kalau nak drawing title tu, dia mesti panjang ataupun besar sikit ruang dia. So I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to move here a bit dekat sini. So I'm going to move this one, enter. Okay, katakan I nak move, okay, I make sure my auto on. Katakan I nak move a bit to, let's say around here. Okay, and then I'm going to create drawing title here, drawing number over here. Okay, so I'm going to go to multi-line text, click here, to here, and then I'm going to make it DWG. DWG is a short form for drawing title. Okay. Okay, I would like to leave it as 3 mm. Okay, dia punya size, just nice. Okay, just close editor, and then I'm going to move this one, enter, and okay, I'm going to off my auto so that I can have free movement, and I'm going to locate it somewhere here. Alright, and then I'm going to create drawing number pula kat bayar ni. So I just copy this one because I'm going to use the same size of the font. Enter. So specify my first base point. My first base point is here. My second base point is here. Okay, escape. Then I'm going to modify the wording. Alright, so by go to here and double click. Alright, then I'm going to make it drawing number. Okay, then once auto confirm, just click close, and then I would like to create also drawn by whom, drawn by whom. In that case, I'm going to make it I'm going to make it here. Okay, drawn here sini pun boleh lah, drawn by whom. And let's I'm going to copy this one, enter, start from here and here, escape, then double click, and I'm going to change this to drawn by. Okay, so you can later on you can indicate your name over here, and then I'm going to have date. Okay, date also. So okay, I'm going to have some sort like this, drawn by, and date I'm going to put down here. So I'm going to copy here, click, enter. I'm going to start my base first, my first base point here, my second point is here, escape, and then double click because I would like to change the wording. Okay, double click, then date. Okay, oops, okay, date. Okay, ini you boleh kecilkanlah sikit dah. Okay, dan close. And of course scale, okay, scale and also the quantity. So I'm going to copy this line because I do not buat border line kat sini. Enter. So my first base point here and my second. Okay, I nak on my auto. Make sure my auto on so that dia boleh straight macam ni kan, so dia tak lari nanti lah. So probably somewhere around here. Alright, then escape. Okay, now I'm going to copy this, enter, and this time I'm going to pick somewhere around here, and then just pick just click yang mana-mana because ini kita boleh adjust ni nanti kat sini. Click here, and then double click, and let's say this one I nak buat quantity. Okay, QTY quantity. Ini I boleh kecilkan. Close editor. Okay, I move. Which object I'm going to move? This object I'm going to move. Enter. Then you can click anywhere. But you have to make sure you punya ni, kalau you nak straight macam ni kan, you nak straight macam ni, so you have to make sure you punya auto on lah. Or else kalau you auto off, you boleh, you still can play around this one over here. So either one lah. But for my case, since I nak straight dengan ni kan, so I'll make sure my auto on lah. Okay, so just somewhere around here, then click, and then I'm going to copy this one, enter, from this base point to here, and I'm going to double click it to change it to scale of the drawing later on. Okay, then close editor, and I'm going to make this one at the center bit. So I'm going to move this, click, enter, and I just click anywhere, and somewhere around here. Okay, there you are. Alright, and okay, we just left another one more here, so probably we can create a title over here. So I'm going to copy this one, the mechanical engineering, this one, enter, my first base point to my second point, then escape. Then I'm going to change the wording, so go to here, anywhere here, okay, double click, and then I'm going to indicate this one as BMCG 2513 section 3 group 1, let's say for example. Okay, BEKG, right? BEKG. So BEKG section 3 group 1. Then just close your editor and then you can adjust the position. So I'm going to move which object I'm going to move. This object I'm going to move. Enter, and then so just simply create somewhere around here. Okay. Kalau you nak buat SAM 1 2020-2021, maknanya you kena anjakkan ini sikit lah. You can create, never mind, put this one. Okay, then let's say you're going to put somewhere around here, and then let's say I'm going to create one line from, make sure dia sama lah sikit lah, agak-agak je, tak perlu ni. Okay, click here and then to here, escape, and then I'm going to copy this one, enter, and just your whisper, just put anywhere. Okay, then escape, double click, and highlight all these. Let's say SAM 1 says session 2020/2021. Okay, so ni agak besar, so close, never mind, kita kecilkan dia, double click, highlight all first, then instead of 4, let's say try 3, kita try 3 size ni, enter. I think this nice, then close, and then I'm going to move with this one, this text, enter, and then just pick anywhere here. Okay, katakan I nak auto off so that I can play around with the movement. Let's see some, kita letak tengah-tengah. Okay, just agak-agak ni lah. Okay, click this one. Okay, this nice. Alright, so this is one of the example. You can create any information in your title area here. Okay, so however, this is the one of the example that I would like to show to you. So now, once after you already created all these, okay, so you need to block all these. Semua yang you dah buat ni, garisan-garisan dan juga semua wording yang you dah buat ni, kita kena blockkan dia supaya apa? Supaya dia tidak berubah, dia tidak bergerak. Okay, mana dia fix pada bahagian sini, di area yang telah kita setkan sebentar tadi ni. So what you need to do now is that, okay, you type block BL. Okay, bila you type BL saja, block ni dah keluar. Okay, so click this one, and then block definition dialog box ni akan terpapar, and you can rename it. Let's say you would like to name it as, you boleh tak apa-apa nama pun. Katakan for my case, I nak letak A4 underscore landscape underscore TB title block. You boleh letak je, you nak letak nama you pun boleh. Okay, A4 landscape atau A4 landscape title block juri. This one is my name. Alright, so you can put any name, should be no problem. Tapi dia tak boleh ada space bar. That's why I letakkan underscore ni, dia tak boleh ada space bar. Okay, so kalau you nak adakan space bar, you kena letak tanda underscore ni lah. Okay, now, so bila you dah name kan title block you ni, so you go to here, object ni, go to select objects. Okay, dan klik semua ni sekali, pilih semua sekali, right? Klik and then press enter. Kita ada 19 objek selected. So bermaksud ni lines ni campur dengan wording ni semua ada 19 objek. Semua sekali jumlah dia 19 objek. You have to make sure that block unit you mesti dalam milimeter. Okay, dalam milimeter. Okay, yang ni semua pun biarkan dia as a default. Then once after confirm, then click OK. Alright. So now, kalau you bring your cursor, you klik je, nampak? Ini semua kita dah macam join kan ni lah. Tapi kita tak boleh gunakan join punya kita dah belajar sebelum ni kan, join punya command, this one. Okay, kita tak boleh guna join because join ni dia hanya boleh gunakan untuk line saja, tetapi kali ni kita nak joinkan line together with the wording. Yang mana wording ni dia tak bercantum kan, wording kita ni mana ada bercantum dengan line ni kan. Kan ada gap ni semua, ada gap. So that's why kalau kita nak joinkan juga together with antara wording dan lain-lain ni, kita kena gunakan block tadi, block, block. Alright, so now I nak create kat sini, nanti senang kita double click je nanti kita boleh ni. So I just click just text multi-line drawn by, let's say I letak nama I dulu, okay, juri, 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 okay, buat kat tengah, justify dia kat tengah, dan let's say 3 I think should be fine, 3, then click close, and then I'm going to move to here. Normally drawn by ni dia takkan letak nama penuh Muhammad, Hakimi, Hisham, tak ada, bin, tak ada. So normally kalau engineering drawing drawn by ni dia normally dia akan letak nama pendek lah. Okay, right, so this is my name. So date, let's say I'm going to copy this one, enter from, let's say anywhere here, tetapi I nak on my auto, and let's say I'm going to make it somewhere around here. Escape, and then I'm going to double click this, zoom skip, okay, double click this one, and then let's say I'm going to make it katakan hari berapa bulan, 10 hari bulan 12, okay, 10/12/2020. Alright, then click close. Alright, and then quantity, copy, click juri here, enter, and just click anywhere, then just simply bring it over here, and let's say I just put it as X terlebih dahulu, X. So close. Nah, later on kalau kita nak nanti kita just double click. Katakan untuk part yang kita lukis ni kita perlukan 5 part ni nanti. So just double click this one and just change this to 5. Dan close text editor. Senang kan? So scale, again I'm going to copy this one, enter, and then just click anywhere, go to here, down here, and then I'm going to make it 1 to 1 dululah. Okay, 1 to 1 terlebih dahulu. Kalau nanti kalau 1 to 2 ke apa semua apa kan, you can just simply go, kalau you punya ni lah skill drawing you, nanti kalau let's say 1 to 2, okay, half kan, so you go to here, double click, dan change this one. You tak boleh double click yang dekat scale yang kita buat tadi, yang kita dah block kan. Bila you double click tu you double click this one, okay, dia akan keluar ni, because kita dah fixkan dia, supaya dia tak berubah. Okay, so kalau you nak change, you have to change dekat sini lah, scale, sini kat date, sini your name, and then this is the quantity. Okay, same as well as the title drawings, I'm going to copy je. Kita copy je, kita dah buat ni, kita copy je, enter. So somewhere around here, make sure you auto on auto you on. So let's say I'm going to escape, then I'm going to double click this one. Let's say I'm going to make it X, panjang sikit lah X ni ya. Oops, X. Okay, then close. Dan later on nanti you katakan drawing title ni, katakan you letak katakan top cover. So you just double click, highlight dulu, dan tulis top cover perkataan, okay, top cover, dan close text editor. Even you can change also nanti double click, okay, you double click, you highlight, even you can change nanti you punya size nanti. Kalau you tak nak 3, you nak besar, you can change your size. Alright, so now last one is drawing number, so I just need to copy this one, enter, and then start from here my base to my second sama around, katakan I have to make sure dia sama dengan sini sama juga dengan sini lain, sejaga agak ni lah, okay, agak sama around here. Okay, so once after confirm, just press escape button. Alright, so now finish, dah siap dah. Okay, dah siap dah you punya title block. So kita nak save, kita kena savekan dalam template untuk mudah nanti kita template file untuk mudahkan kita nak access nanti. Kerana title block ni kita nak gunakan kerap kali. Tak perlu nanti setiap kali you nak guna, you buat. Setiap kali you nak guna title block, you nak kena buat ni. Leceh lah kan, and it will take time as well. Okay, so kita just dah buat ni satu, so kemudian nanti we can use it repeatedly. Alright, so how? So kita kena save dulu, file, save as. Okay, make sure that di sini you pilih template. Okay, files of type ni, okay, again I buat file, save as. Okay, di bahagian files of type ni you pilih template, AutoCAD drawing template. Dia punya extension file .dwt. Okay, drawing template. Okay, so AutoCAD drawing template, so click this one, and then dia akan pergi ke template punya file yang tadi yang kita ambil AutoCAD ISO. I cakap ni untuk matrix unit, untuk kalau AutoCAD ni untuk imperial unit kan, inches semua apa. So sini kita dah create satu template dekat sini, iaitu title block. So kita boleh renamekan dia. Katakan I nak letak E4 landscape, katakan my name, Juri, okay, whatever, okay, you boleh letak apa-apa nama boleh sah. So just save only. Okay, ini tak salah description ni. Ini kalau you nak katakan this template is for the A4 apa ataupun you just leave it blank pun boleh, delete. Okay, tak di problem ni, tak sah, no problem. So because this is only the description of your template, your title block, this one. So measurement, make sure you metric, jangan English, jangan imperial. Okay, so you go to matrix and save all layers as unreconciled. Okay, so make sure you press it, then click OK. Okay, yang ni paling penting metric. Okay, so click OK. Okay, now katakan I closed this one. Kita dah selesai. So katakan kita nak mula. So starting from now onwards, katakan kalau you dah belajar buat title block ni semua apa kan. So katakan kalau you nak create something, so you go to open. Okay, and then files of type ni, okay, again go to open. Biasanya kita pergi kat sini kan, new kan. So kali ni I nak ajar you go to open, pasal kita nak call out kita punya title block tadi. So files of type ni kita go to DWT. Okay, bila DWT ni dia akan keluar tadi yang file template tadi. Ni yang tadi saya buat tadi kan. Okay, double click this one. Nampak this one dia dah ni. So remember, jangan save kat sini. Bila you buat, you kena file save as dulu. File save as. Okay, katakan I nak save kat di mana ya? Katakan dalam I punya let's say FKM. Okay, katakan I create satu kat sini lah. Katakan DMCG 1523. Okay, katakan di sini, I letak di sini. Double click. Dan you just name it. Katakan, tetapi kali ni jangan buat AutoCAD template. Okay, you change it to AutoCAD drawing.dwg. Jangan template jangan template.dwg. So kali ni kita katakan namakan, dia katakan let's say I'm going to make it 01 lah, senang. You can letak apa-apa nama pun, atau later on boleh rename nanti. For the time ni I'll just letak 01. Save. Okay, so bila you nak lukis, you go to model, dan you lukis lah. You nak lukis 2D ke 3D, later on kita akan go to with the 3D pun boleh later on. So nanti bila kita pergi layout, nanti kita akan paparkan kita punya orthographic view dan juga secara automatik di dalam sini nanti. Okay, kita akan belajar kemudian how to going to create orthographic view secara automatik daripada 3D. Okay, so kata bila dah semua apa, so you can save biasa je, because tadi you dah save dalam 01 tadi kan, 01. So just bila you dah habis lukis semua apa kat sini, dah lukis semua apa, okay, just save biasa. Okay, okay, save biasa. Okay, katakan you tutup. Let's say kalau you nak buat lagi satu komponen, go to open. Nampak? Ni ada, double click. Okay, so kita akan guna lagi. Kita boleh repeat gunakan. Dan jangan lupa terus file, save as. Okay, ini make sure this one drawing. Okay, .dwg drawing bukan template. Kami kan saya letak kosong 2. Okay, katakan saya nak change pada saya punya tadi mana di FKM BMCJ 253. Okay, ni yang tadi kita buat tadi. So now sekarang 02. Make sure DWG ya. Jangan template Okay, alright. Okay, so bila dah save as, kita pergi mana model, kita lukis lah apa kita nak. Kita lukis. Okay, lepas tu nanti kita boleh call out yang mana kita lukis dalam model ni, kita boleh call out kan dia dekat template di sini. Kerana di sini adalah ruang untuk kita paparkan apa yang telah kita sketch pada bahagian sini, pada bahagian model. Alright, so kata bila dah confirm, just save saja. Tak payah save as lagi, so pasal kita dah save tadi dia under 02 kan. So now kita close. Okay, kenapa I cakap jangan jangan save as sebagai template? Kita tengok katakan saya buka F4 landscape. Okay, katakan saya file, save as. Okay, save as. Katakan saya biarkan template. Kali ini 03. Okay, tetapi katakan saya nak ubah dia kepada D, FKM dan okay, katakan saya biarkan dia dalam template not DWG. Ini the latest lah, saya punya latest DWG, tetapi katakan saya pakai .dwt, saya maintain. Alright, okay, kata ni katakan now I nak 01 and 02 tadi tak ada, terus 03. Even you tengok nanti okay, katakan ni okay, katakan I close this one. Okay, kata bila I open, pergi ke I punya file tadi. Okay, nampak? Dia terasing. Dia even kalau you perhatikan simbol dia ni simbol dia, template punya simbol macam ni. Tapi kalau I change this to drawing, nampak? Kalau drawing punya simbol macam ni. Okay, template hanya untuk template sahaja. Okay, hanya template bermakna template yang tadi lah. Okay, template yang seperti inilah. Kalau you perhatikan template punya icon, semua simbol dia macam ni kan. Okay, alright guys. So hopefully that you understand about how are we going to create the data block dan bagaimana kita nak, how are we going to apply or use that the data block that we have created repeatedly. Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you in our next few videos. Thank you very much.